Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video, I will show you step by step how to set up the full version of CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2026, the latest version, on your system. I will show you each and every step directly from the official website without requiring a credit card. First, go to Google and search for CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. Then visit the official website at CorelDRAW.com. You will land on the official website. Next, copy a temporary email from any website that provides temporary email services. On the CorelDRAW website, click on Try Free for 15 days. Now enter your email and click Continue. Next, enter the verification code sent to your email. On the next screen, click Agree and Continue. If you see this page, then you are good to go for the next steps. On the left side of the screen, go to File and then click on Download Full Trial. If the download doesn't start immediately, use the direct download link provided at the bottom. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer and install CorelDRAW Graphics Suite on your system. The download and installation may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection speed and your PC's performance. Once the installation is completed, you need to accept the terms and conditions to use this application. Now, if you see this kind of error page, that means you have blocked the connection to the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite server using a firewall or the hosts file. I think I previously blocked the connection on my system using the hosts file, so I need to remove this connection. Once you remove the blocked addresses, reopen the application. Next, click on Sign In, and in the browser, log in with the account email you created in the earlier step. As you can see, we have successfully completed the login process in the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite application. As you can see, this is the 16-day trial edition of CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. Now it's time to block the connection of this software again. So in the hosts file, do exactly what I am doing. Now, if you want to use your subscription code, just close the app and you will see an option that says Already Purchased. If you click on this, you will find an option to enter your subscription code. I already have a paid subscription code and I'm going to enter it in this box. Let's see if it works or not. As you can see, the subscription code has been accepted by the application. If I'm not wrong, we should now have the full version of the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite application on our system. So let's check the application. Thankfully, as you can see, we have successfully upgraded our trial version of CorelDRAW Graphics Suite to the paid version. If you want this giveaway subscription code, make sure to join our Telegram channel. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.